gusto ko hinihintay yung mga friends ko. So, pag-aayos kami.
Barbie! Kasi di ba yung pinupunta namin sa concert? Gusto ko makasok. Gusto ko nakakapulo ng malito.
Hi guys! I really miss vlogging and talking to you guys. So, I am back. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Dito kami ngayon sa Davao because we'll be finishing some final touches before we print out the materials needed for our expo. So a little fit check for today. This is my outfit, very cozy. And super foggy na din outside. I'll show it. There! So I got chocolate cheesecake combo. Hi guys, I'm with Karen. Tapos na kami ma-stress. Later ulit. Hi guys, so I'm here now sa SM and I'm with Harvey already. A while ago I was with Karen. We were able to run some errands for our expo that will happen tomorrow, August 5. And guys, Yao Yao is here na sa SM and I'm so happy. I don't need to wait till I go back to my hometown to have my favorite. That's my childhood, by the way. I remember I was saving up for Yao Yao nung LM ako whenever pupunta kami ng Mega Mall kasi that's the closest. So yeah, Yao Yao is here just in front of our school. So whenever I crave for it, andyan na lang siya. And I'm with Harvey. I don't know kung ano bang plans namin aside from getting Yao Yao, and it's gonna be her first time to try my favorite. So, ayun, nag-recommend ako. I don't know if she will get that one. But, yeah, let's go. off. Our expo is done and it was successful. So happy. So Wednesday ulit. Hi everyone. 2 events is done. And nandito kami sa Somtam because we think we deserve this and wala pa kaming kain the entire day.
Tanggalin mo yung flash.
Ba't ayaw mo na flash? I'm with Karen.
Nag-aano yung... Tignan mo yung lumabas na picture dyan. Huwag mong baburahin.
Kunin ka na ni Lauren.
Reflection mo.
So we ordered chicken curry, yellow brain. Let's eat. Curry. Ending the day with photo booth. So, cute. Everyone, good morning. So it's the second day of our expo and ako pa lang nandito. So I'm just gonna get the things that we need sa office. But first, let's assemble the tables. Let's go. So guys, let's assemble the table right there. Hello.
I can't imagine how we survive potential. And then
So we just finished our exams and it's officially the last day as a second year student. So we are now an incoming third year, which is the last school year as a college student, and hopefully we'll be able to make it through till we graduate. And I am currently with my friends, they're foreign students, and we are just having coffee.